Hello everyone, I am Cielo Arredondo. I'm a student in my second year of civil engineering at the Universidad Tecnológica Nacional in Paraná, Entre Ríos, Argentina. I am going to present my English project titled Wastewater in Paraná, Implementation of a Wastewater Treatment Plant. Okay, what is Paraná? Paraná is the capital of the province of Entre Ríos, located in Argentina. It has just under 400,000 inhabitants. It is one of the cities with the highest water consumption. Some days consumption can reach up to 800 liters per person, while a recommended amount is 250 liters per person. In January of 2023, water consumption reached 700 liters. These numbers include water consumed and water discarded, which are referred to as black and gray water. Gray water refers to all water using for cleaning purpose, and black water refers to generally pertains. Black water refers. I will say that again. Black water generally pertains to sewage water, but it also includes water contaminated with strong chemicals. For example, wastewater from industries, both are contaminated water. So what is the purpose of this study? The purpose is to address the problem of lack of treatment of gray and black water. As well as this, there is an analysis of the possibility of implementing a wastewater treatment plant. The presentation is organized as follows. Firstly, description of the context. Secondly, the statement of the context will be described. Thirdly, the causes and consequences of the problem are going to be identified. And finally, a solution is going to be present with a strength and weakness of the proposal. As mentioned before, Paraná is the capital of Entre Ríos, which borders the Paraná River. There are two treatment plants in the city, Ramirez and Echeverria, located in different parts of the city. The Echeverria plant is the biggest, producing 85% of the potable water in the city. It is situated between Rondó and Esteban Echeverria streets. As can be observed, in this area there are many trees and few houses. It shall be noted that it is located near the Paraná River. In large cities, wastewater treatment plants are usually next to wastewater treatment plants. However, this is not the case in Paraná because the city does not have a wastewater treatment plant. And this is a picture of the Echeverria treatment plant. The issue to be addressed in this presentation is the lack of treatment of wastewater. Wastewater refers to both gray and black water. These wastewater types are found in streams and rivers, causing a significant environmental and social impact. Next, a photo of Antonico streams can be observed, which is the most important stream in the city. It originates in Santa Lucia neighborhood and flows into the Paraná River. As can be observed in the photo, the wastewater flows through it And this photo shows a glass of turbid water with the Paraná River in the background, particles that appear to be sediment at the bottom of the water. Okay, in Paraná, there are many causes or factors that can contribute to the problem. Among them, three stand out. Starting with illegal sewerage installations, there can be easily seen in the city, especially in places with limited resource, such as neighborhoods located near streams. This installation discharge wastewater directly into the streams, leading it to the river. In the second place, there is the overflow of sewer systems, which is very common in Paraná. During heavy rain days, the sewer system can overflow due to water pressure, releasing contaminated water into the area. This is common to witness the situation in the state of Paraná. When it's rain, the area becomes flooded. In the third place, the usage of chemical components is prevalent in our daily life. These chemicals are found in products such as detergents and shampoos. Also, washing materials have been used for painting, varnishing, and among others, are discarded in the sewage network. There are many consequences that come from wastewater in Paraná, such as water contamination due to the discharge of chemicals and untreated water into streams and the river. This ends up causing a shortage of potable water. Regarding health risks, contaminated water can cause numerous diseases, among them diarrhea, cholera, and other gastrointestinal infections can be mentioned. This arise from consuming or coming into contact with contaminated water. In relation to damage to ecosystem, water pollution can affect animal life, including fish, birds, and other forms of life. Habitats survive are affected. This leads to not many marine life being affected, but also terrestrial life. So, what is the solution to the problem? What is processed in this presentation is the implementation of a wastewater treatment plant. It could be located near the Echeverria plant, which, as mentioned before, it is common the wastewater treatment plant to be situated alongside water treatment plant. Why a wastewater treatment plant? A wastewater treatment plant receives, process, and treat wastewater generated by human industries and commercial activities. Its purpose is to eliminate contaminants, microorganisms, and solid material. It enables the reuse of water of safe discharge into the environment. Its objectives are reduce pollution and water consumption, which is an interesting proposal for the problem of Paraná. The wastewater treatment process involves several stages and techniques to remove contaminants and microorganisms. The first steps is to collect water, which undergoes a pre-treatment where large solids such sticks, stones, and similar objects that could be damaged the equipment are extracted. In this image, the wastewater treatment process and its stage are graphically depicted. Moving on the primary treatment phase, organic suspended solids are removed through sedimentation and flotation process. This is achieved using clarifiers and sedimentation tanks. In the figure, the process can be observed. Continuing with the secondary treatment, where the remaining suspended and dissolved solids are eliminated using aerobic microorganisms. The most common method used in this phase is the activate sludge process, where wastewater is aerated and microorganisms feed on the contaminants. Sometimes a tertiary treatment is applied, also known as advanced treatment, is used to remove specific impurities from the water through physical and chemical process such as membrane filtration or chlorine disinfection. Finally, disinfection is carried out to eliminate any microorganisms that may have remaining in the treated water. The treated water can be discharged into bodies of water such as rivers and streams if it meets environmental quality standards. It can also be reused for non-potable purposes such as agricultural irrigation, garden irrigation, or industrial use. Around the world, wastewater treatment plant has been implemented. Argentina have some provinces that have incorporated this solution. For instance, Santa Fe, a neighboring province of Entre Ríos, has several water treatment plants. This proposal aims to address a significant portion of the solution problem in Paraná. However, like any project, it comes with advantage and disadvantage. Some of these strengths include environmental protection as it reduces water pollution, the decrease in waterborne diseases by eliminating pathogenic microorganisms, water reuse in agricultural irrigation, industrial application, among others, and the reduction of odors in streams and river. Will this proposal has more strengths than weakness? It is important to note that it is a cost. Construction is costly. It requires constant maintenance, qualified personnel, and has a high energy consumption. In conclusion, the lack of water treatment poses a significant problem, not only the environmental level, but also society. The lack of awareness and the little importance given to such a valuable and limited resource as water reflect our society. The objective of this project has been to raise awareness about this issue. Offering a solution is recurring and has worked in many cities worldwide. To conclude the idea of implementing a wastewater treatment plant will not help reduce water loss, but also provide the Paraná inhabitants with a better quality of life. Now, it is in our hands to make the right decision in order to conserve and protect the water. These are my reference. Well, this concludes my presentation. I sincerely appreciate your attention. I hope you found the information valuable and useful. Thank you very much for your time, and goodbye.
Thank you, Cielo.